good Tuesday evening. It is 21 News Chief Meteorologist Eric Wilhelm. It's Weather for Weather Geeks time. It's time to take a deep dive into our local weather, and today was another pretty nice day for the most part. We'll talk about a couple of exceptions to that rule in this video, but today was the warmest day of September. So far, we reached 82 this afternoon. 51 was the low temperature this morning, so a pretty big diurnal range today. Pretty chilly start. A warmer than average afternoon, but nowhere near records today. The record low, 1986, 39 degrees, 91 degrees on today's date. Back in 1985, we had no rain today, but on this date, a year ago, we had a lot of rain. Officially at the airport, we had 2.42 inches worth of rain on September the 7th, 2020. Here at our downtown Youngstown studios, we had over 3 inches of rain that day, so it was quite a deluge on this date 1 year ago today. Today, a much nicer day. But we did have a couple of what I called unsanctioned or unauthorized showers and sprinkles that just sort of popped up over Mahoning County and then traveled up into parts of Mercer County. This was not much, but it was a little bit of a surprise. A little, very little ripple, small little ripple of low pressure aloft, a little weather disturbance kicked off just a couple of sprinkles and showers. Much heftier activity to our north and west this evening. Severe thunderstorm watches have been out for most of the afternoon and early this evening across lower Michigan, parts of Indiana, parts of Illinois as well. This line of thunderstorms will weaken as it comes to the south and east, but it's done its dirty work. Look at all the severe weather reports just over the last 12 hours across Michigan, parts of Wisconsin, into northern Illinois as well. A lot of hail-producing storms and a lot of wind damage as well. But look how the lightning just sort of disappears with this overnight tonight as this encounters a much more stable air mass coming to the south and east. Now, that being said, could you hear a rumble of thunder as Wednesday gets underway? Yeah, that's going to be a possibility, but we are not expecting severe weather around here. And although there could be a spotty shower again in the afternoon tomorrow, thunder and lightning seems unlikely. It can't totally be ruled out, but it's fairly unlikely at this stage of the game. So, here's how you can plan out your Wednesday. Highest rain chances overall first thing in the morning, first few hours of daylight, say between 6 a.m. and about 10 a.m. So we go towards lunchtime, we should get a break. The sun should come out. Then as we get into the afternoon, little bit of instability still left over in the atmosphere. A pop-up shower is going to be a possibility. But again, wettest part of the day, first thing in the morning through about mid-morning. Lunchtime should be better. The sun should break out from northwest to southeast. Our model's not showing much here, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, but that's kind of the window when I'm thinking 20 to 30% chance of a pop-up shower across the area. Better chance for spotty showers, I think, on Thursday, especially from lunchtime into the afternoon. This is a weather disturbance that will produce enough instability that a couple of pop-up showers and maybe even a clap of thunder in a couple of spots. Pretty likely on Thursday. Our model here is showing some lake effect rain showers on Friday. Not ready to buy that idea just yet, at least for our local area. I think Friday is going to turn out to be a beautiful day and a fantastic evening for high school football. So once we lose the raindrops by Thursday afternoon, they are gone for a while. I mean, we're looking dry Friday through the weekend into early next week, and a warming trend will commence. All the warmth out west will start pushing east over the next several days, and so by the second half of the weekend and the first half of next week, we're up to 5 to 6 degrees warmer than average. Keep in mind our averages are slipping now that we're into September. And our average high is about 77, 76 early next week, and we should have a few days with highs at least in the lower 80s through probably at least Tuesday, if not Wednesday. Last year we had a pretty early end to the 80-degree temperature season, if you will. Our last 80-degree temperature last year was on September 12th. Pretty early and, well, 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Our 30-year average last 80-degree temperature is September 27th. So we should have a later date this year. Maybe not as late as some of those October dates in 2017, 2018, 2019, but I suspect another 80-degree temperature will be found here and there, well beyond that last date that we had that occurrence last year. Boy, look at 2012. That was a very warm spring and summer, of course, and then in the fall season we had an 80-degree temperature on October 25th, so lots of warm weather back 9 years ago in 2012. All right, that'll do it for me this evening. Thanks for watching Weather for Weather Geeks. You can catch another edition of this video, same time, same place, on Wednesday.